So hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a traffic light. Now basically, you guys that love robotics, coding and web development, that kind of teacher for you guys. In all my videos you'll be seeing robotics, you see coding, you see web development. I will teach you guys how to make robots. I will teach you guys how to make websites. I'll teach you guys how to make games and all this interesting stuff. Then in my next video, definitely I'll promise you guys I'll teach you how to make a game. But for now, let's learn how to make something simple for you guys. Today we're going to learn how to make a traffic light. And all the parts I needed for my traffic light came in this nice box. If you guys want to get your own and build the traffic lights, of course you guys can get yours. It's in AliExpress, just $57.12. So let's commence with the project and I'll put you guys through in what to do. Now, first of all, in a traffic light, what do you exactly see? What is the color that comes first? Is a red color, then yellow, then green. Most of you people know that the red one says stop, yellow one says get ready, and green one says you can move. So we'll start with the red one. So I've introduced the colors to you guys, and now I'm going to tell you a little something. Now, you know a traffic light is not like basically like this. So what this we're doing here is just a small prototype. It's a prototype of a traffic light, so that like beginners before you go into the higher stage. So now I'm going to show you guys how to make the traffic lights and going to tell you what's going to happen in our next video. So start with the red LED, then we'll enter the yellow one. So moving now. Then we get a resistor, then plug it in the positive side, which is the longer end of the resistor. Then the black side goes to the number which have been specified in the program on my computer, which is alright, now I've verified it. So this red one goes to the pin 12. This is 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the 12 of the, this one, which is the negative side, goes to the 8. Or the last one goes to the 7. The last one goes to the 7. Then we'll put the remaining resistors for these ones. The next resistor for the green LED, which says go. Then we'll put this to make the breadboard be able to have power. We put these ones on the 5 volts and put this on the Chimdi. Now, basically an Arduino Uno is like a computer, and half computer, half battery, and half machine, and half memory card. Now, first of all, what I mean by half computer is because it calculates something like milliseconds. It doesn't understand normal human language. It understands, like, for example, I write bracket close then exclamation mark. That is what it can understand. It doesn't understand after green LED, red, yellow LED, after yellow LED, red LED. It doesn't understand that. It understands a code called Arduino.cc, not normal human language. It's called C++. there are different kinds of programming language. There's Python, there's JavaScript, there is HTML, there's also what do you call this programming language again? Fortran. What do you call this programming language again? Fortran, and that's what I know. So there. Now this reset button, we're gonna click on it. Gonna reset. Then you see. Now this looks somehow like the real traffic light, but it's not the real one. Just a prototype. Like there's something called a Arduino prototyping expansion, which is this. It's not a real Arduino Uno like this one. You see the differences. It's a prototype of an Arduino Uno. This is what they use first before developing this one. You understand the difference? Like let's say there's a house. You understand? And you're making a cardboard house. You see the differences. You start with the cardboard house so that you can become perfect with it. Then you move to the harder stage. Like this. This is just the same thing. There's a real traffic light at junctions. And there's a prototype of traffic light, which is like this. This is for beginners. This is for GSS or SS or higher people, higher stage. They started with this. You see the difference. This is not. Which one is better? You think it's this one or this one? This one is better because it has more. It has a microcontroller. While this one doesn't have a microcontroller plug, and this one doesn't have USB cable. It has a power point. This one doesn't have power point. So I'm sure you guys will be wondering, how do you make this thing on? Very simple. You make this thing on by connecting here on top of the Uno board, which is an expansion shield. You can serve it as a shield. This thing now is very useful. Then this is very useful for the Arduino Uno. Very useful indeed. Then you put this on top. If you don't want to use here to save more memory in the memory card, you can use the expansion. But the thing about the expansion is that it doesn't save program. It's only this one that saves program because it has the microcontroller, while this one doesn't have the microcontroller. You guys can see the difference. So just like this, there's a real traffic light out there at streets, while there's the prototype which we are working on today. So now let me explain what the traffic light shows. This green one as it's off. The red one here is saying that this green one here should stop. Now the green one have changed. The green one is saying this red one here should stop. Yellow one here says get ready. This yellow one is only saying its own road. Now the green one is saying you can go. Red one is saying you should stop here and also its own. So the red one is saying here should stop. The red one is also saying here to stop now. I mean the yellow one is saying you should get ready here, and also saying get ready here. It's saying go here, and the red one is just saying nothing. Just go in this road. So the cars can pass here. Then now the red one is saying this place should stop. Here to stop. But here you can go. So you guys understand now. So in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a game. And we're going to use code blocks. We're not going to use Python, because I'm sure Python is going to be very hard for you guys. We're also going to use, after code blocks, we'll use Python. Then we'll enter HTML and we'll also use CSS. So we'll see you in my next video, and goodbye for now.